So if the OH group
Wait,
is here,
just one.
hmm, phenol can, okay, Janap, if you see, if another group I am saying you, if that is this group is there, NH2. So its name I told you yesterday, that is aniline, right?
Yeah, aniline.
Hmm. If suppose this is there, you know, COOH, so that is what is known as benzoic acid. That is, they are the first member, so we need to memorize their name. Suppose we are having some other things, okay? Here is I am writing that is CHO. So this is name is benzaldehyde. Its name is benzaldehyde, right? Benzaldehyde. Suppose this is what is that is another compound we are writing. If I am having that is CONH2, this is what is known as benjamide. Benjamide. Okay, benjamide. And last one more is there. That is also we are writing this one. Suppose what is C double bond O CH3. Its name is, this is first member, so its name is acetophenone. Its name is acetophenone. PHENONE. And that this one name you already know. Which one? If CH3 group is there, already we did study. This is the toluene. Okay. So these names are suggested by IUPAC. I didn't do anything. There is no rule for this one. Why this is called benzene, we don't know. Because if you want to define, you can say that is this formula is what is C6H6. So that is what is benzene. But here you see, this is the first number. So it is that is chlorine is there on the benzene. So that is going to be chlorobenzene, right? This is third. Third
Yes,
one is
sir.
nitro group is there on benzene. So that is going to be nitrobenzene, right? Now, if you are going for the fourth one, OH group is there on benzene, that will become the phenol. If NH2 group attached with benzene, that is aniline, right? Now, if CHO group is attached with benzene, that is benzaldehyde. If CONH2 attached with benzene, that is benzamide. If that is COCH3 attached, that is acetophenone. If that is double OH is there, so benzoic acid. And if that is CS3 is there, that is what is known as toluene. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, firstly, I'm moving for this one. IUPAC name of very basic. We are starting IUPAC name of
Sorry,
aromatic.
your voice is getting stuck.
One second. IUPAC name of aromatic
Sorry,
carboxyl.
your voice is getting.
Yeah. Is it now? Is it now clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe little bit, maybe the network issue, but I think it may be clear. Is it okay?
Yeah, now it's clear, sir.
Hmm. So here, Janab, you please tell me the name of this compound. Please tell me the name of this compound. COOH group is there. What is the name of this?
Benzoic acid.
Thank you very much. This is the benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid.
Yes, sir.
Now, Janab, you tell me two names we need to write. First one, here I am COOH is there, right?
Yes,
Here is the Br Janab. Here is the Cl. Okay. So they are saying start
two.
from. No, here they are saying start from that carbon. Start from that carbon of benzene. Start from that carbon of benzene. Okay, benzene, which
Mm.
have CHO group, which have CH no C double OH group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
So we
for
have to start
IUPAC.
from
For
benzoic acid.
IUPAC. For IUPAC. For common, here I am writing for common. They are saying for common. Common, that is they are saying ortho, comma, para or meta used. Ortho, para or meta used. This is there. Ortho, para and meta used. Right? Suppose this is the group is there. Okay, both things I am telling you. because suppose this is the functional group. So this position is ortho. This position is also going to be ortho only.
Yes, sir.
This position is going to be para. Middle one is going to be what? Meta. Okay, that you need to
Wait, sir.
meta.
First one, sir. What was the first one?
First one is ortho. ORTHO. Ortho.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ortho. Then.
This is
so
meta.
ortho.
Meta. This is para. PARA.
Okay.
Hmm.
Meta.
Hmm.
Meta.
And para.
Para.
PARA. Huh. So
Okay.
Jana, what we
Then
have
the
to
above that, what did you write?
what?
The above top one X beside ortho and ortho between.
X may be any functional group, any group. Like here is
Okay.
the benzoic acid. So
Okay, sir.
for common name, we need to ortho, para, or meta we need to use, right? For IUPAC,
Okay.
start from that carbon of benzene which have COOH group. So now we need to count from which direction we need to count. Firstly, you tell me.
From
IUPAC. See Jana, this one you know, name of this one you know already. Okay, this much. This is what? Nothing but this is the benzoic acid. Yes, yeah, no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
But which direction shall we? Yeah, I will start counting from here. Shall we go CL side
Yeah,
or
one. Then no, BR side, sir.
1, 2, 3? This is 4. Here
3,
is 5. And
4,
this is 6.
5, 6.
Hmm.
Okay, so now we should write 2 bromo,
2 bromo,
6 chloro,
6 chloro,
benzoic acid.
benzoic acid. Thank you very much. Correctly you said. Okay. Now, common name. Common name is also there.
Common name, sir. Sir, I'll try.
Huh.
Okay. 2 bromo.
That will be IUPAC in common name. For common name,
Okay.
ortho, para, and med.
2,6 ortho.
Position not required. Only ortho bromo. I know this is ortho
Okay.
bromo.
Ortho bromo.
Again ortho chloro.
Ortho chloro.
And that is next one
Ortho
is
bromo.
benzoic.
Ortho chloro benzoic acid. Okay, sir.
That one. Slowly, slowly you will be able to understand this.
Yes, sir.
Can I move next page?
Yes, sir.
When you want to write, you let me know, na?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me this one.
Okay, sir. I know this. Sir will start from COH 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Only 6 are
No,
there.
5, 6. Okay. So, sir, it will be methyl and 2 methyl.
Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order.
Okay. 4 ethyl.
4 ethyl, yeah. 4 ethyl.
4 ethyl. 2 methyl. 3 nitro.
3 nitro.
Benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid. What would be the common name, Jana? This is the this one the IP.
Okay. Ortho ethyl.
Para. This one is the para. This position is para.
Okay, sorry.
This is the ortho. Okay,
Meta.
and this is meta. So alphabetical we
Yes,
will go.
So,
So that is hmm,
para ethyl,
hmm,
para ethyl, ortho methyl,
hmm,
meta nitro,
hmm.
benzoic acid.
Yeah, correct one. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I move next page?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, sir. That
Wait. Note. Wait, Jenna. If two two COOH group present, if two COOH group present in benzene ring, they are saying in benzene ring, okay, benzene ring, then its name, they are saying, then its name, they are saying, then its name will be, what will be there? Then its name will be dioic, dioic, acid.
dioic benzoic acid.
Ha. So that is but
Or
this is the
only
functional
dioic
group.
acid.
Wait, firstly we write that is prefix, then we go that is word root, okay, word root, then that is secondary
Yes,
suffix.
sir.
Okay, I'm not writing primary because it is aromatic. So aromatic compound means that is double bond will be there. So prefix word root will be, that is what, this is the benzene will be there here, and that is functional group is there, C double
Sir.
OH. Okay, prefix is not there.
Yes,
So
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that is what we
Yes,
have to
sir.
start from benzene ring. So see, so if benzene ring you are starting, that is benzene. This is going to be benzene 1, comma 4 dioic
Yes,
acid.
sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Wait, sir. Let me note it down.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm a bit confused with this.
Huh.
Yes, that means like benzene we are putting now, sir. So I'm getting a
But
bit
the rule,
confused.
Jana, when there is the rule, okay, when there is a rule, so you and me cannot do anything, okay, because there is the
Yes, sir.
rule. They are saying, what Jana, what they are saying, if two COOH group present in benzene ring, then
Yes, sir.
its name will be what, dioic acid. Matlab, what the
Yes, sir.
dioic acid, that is benzene dioic acid, na?
Yes,
Then
sir.
will be what, that is benzene
Dioic acid.
plus dioic acid. Getting my
Yes,
point.
sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So this is what benzene 1,4-dioic acid. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Can I move next page?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Tell me the name of this. Hmm. Tough.
Okay, so
Shall we start
okay,
from
sir.
here,
I know.
or shall we start from here? Numbering.
Okay. One. No, we can start. We should start from upper one.
Upper one. So okay. Thank you very much.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hmm.
Okay, 2 chloro,
2 chloro.
2 chloro. Okay, 2 chloro benzene. Wait, 2 chloro benzene 1, comma 4 dioic acid.
Yeah. Understood this one, name of this compound. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
okay? Janab, you
Yes, sir.
didn't give the question, list of question you were supposed to give. Now, yesterday you said, sir, I am facing problem in exercise. So you did not
No,
say.
sir. Now I understood, sir.
Oh,
No, sir. I understood. Means like after you means like you revised once more, right? So I
uh-huh.
understood. That's why I was able to do on my own then.
Okay.
That's why I did not say.
Whatever the problem you are facing, please, you are most welcome to send. Okay. I will be happiest
Yes, sir,
person to
sure.
answer your doubts, right? So you send the problems.
Yes, sir.
Now, Jana,
Yes,
we are
sir.
going for this one, base compound. IUPAC name of aromatic ketone. Aromatic ketones. IUPAC name of aromatic ketones. This one. So
What are
aromatic,
aromatic ketones?
that is what the aromatic. No, this group C double bond O group. Okay, group.
Okay. OR.
Group present in benzene ring. Present in benzene ring.
Okay. Benzene.
So that is what is this one, C double bond O and CH3. This is already name is there, acetophenone. This is what is acetophenone. This is the IUPAC. IUPAC. Are you getting disturbed? Some sound is going to you?
No, sir. It's fine. Acetophenone.
Acetophenone. PHENONE. Acetophenone.
Okay.
1 second, I will say.
Common name, sir?
Now, this is the aromatic ketone. Are you be able to understand this? The name of aromatic ketone?
Yes, sir. You give an example.
This is what this is the example. The example that is the first member. Its name is acetophenone. Now, let us try to understand.
Yes, sir.
Here I am writing this one. C double bond O CH3, and here I am having that is Cl. Okay. Name.
So we have to start from acetophenone.
So that is one.
Numbering
Which
one.
direction we will go?
We can go any direction because it will be same.
Yeah, good.
2, 3, 4. Okay, so it will be 4-chloro. 4-chlorobenzene.
See this group name, total this group name.
Okay, acetophenone.
4-chloro.
1 acetophenone.
Acetophenone. No need to write the one. 4-chloro acetophenone. Common name. Tell me the common name.
Okay, so sir, the common name is wait, sir, I know. Meta.
No, Janab, no.
Chlorometa. Metachloro.
See, this is the functional group. So the close one is ortho. This is ortho because this is the functional group. Na? This group is functional. Na? So that is nearer carbon. This is also going to be what? Ortho. Opposite one is para. Opposite one is what? Para. Getting?
Sir, I did not understand, sir.
See, if this is functional group, na, this group is functional group, yes, na?
Okay.
So
I got now. Yes, sir. Yes.
opposite to this, which one is
Direction.
para? Opposite to para.
Okay, so we have
Nearer
to
to
put the diagram.
ortho. And this one is what it is going to be. This one is going to be meta. And this is also going to be meta. Tell me now.
Okay. So parachloro.
Parachloro.
Parachloro acetophenone.
Acetophenone. This is parafluoroacetophenone. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I move next page?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. So we have to do numbering from 1 and then bromo.
2,
2 is bromo.
3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Hmm.
Okay, so it will be 2 bromo,
2 bromo,
2 bromo, 6 nitro,
6 nitro,
acetophenone.
6 nitro, acetophenone. Acetophenone is a
Phenone.
phenone. Okay, phenone. Phenone. So that is very
Okay.
great. You told me the name. Can you please tell me, repeat the common name?
Common name. Okay, sir. So it will be orthobromo,
Orthobromo,
orthonitro,
orthonitro,
acetophenone.
acetophenone. ACET, acetophenone. This is there.
Yes, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move. That is next one. We are going for the next one. IUPAC name, that is same one. Let us practice little more. One more important compound is there. This one.
Yes, sir.
Its name, Janab, already I am telling you, benzophenone. This name is benzophenone. This compound is name is benzophenone. IUPAC and common, both name is benzophenone. This compound name is benzophenone. That you need to memorize this one. This is the benzophenone. Can you?
Yes, sir. I can.
Can I move next page?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you tell me the name of this one.
Yes, sir. Sir, what was the name of that? Benzophenone. Okay.
This is not benzophenone.
Okay.
Janab, this is the wait. Benzophenone is something different. This was the benzophenone. C double bond O. Here there is no benzophenone in this one. This is the benzophenone.
Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Otherwise, other is the acetophenone.
Okay, sir. So we have to do numbering from acetophenone. So 1.
So that is 1. Where should we go? Upside, downside? Upside, downside?
Downside.
Downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Wait. 4. 4. What is this?
3 carbon. 1, 2, 3.
3. Okay. So 4 propyl.
4 propyl.
No, sir. No, sir.
Correct. 4 propyl is. Okay.
2 methyl 4 propyl. What was acetophenone?
Acetophenone.
Acetophenone.
Yeah.
Acetophenone.
2-methyl 4-propyl acetophenone. You are really working very hard. Okay. Taking online classes daily. It's definitely God will bless you. Okay, will success with success, because you are working, because of, I know, studying from the cell phone, and this online is little quite tough. Watching you continuously replying 1 hour, so it's a very, good things. So please keep it up. You will be good only. Okay,
Thank you,
and
sir.
wherever you try to solve the problem from the book. Otherwise, if you want to from my side, I will give you also book. That is the problem.
Sir,
Mhm.
yeah, sir. Can you give problems? Cause sir, I can't find more problems.
I will
That's
give you
right.
today
Can you
only. I
give
will
me
give.
some problems?
Hmm. I'll give you topic wise problem.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
give you today. Sure, sure, sure. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I give you the neat problem to you? Neat problem. Will you solve the neat problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Today I'll give you today 100%. I will send you in the group. Okay. So there you can ask the problem.
Okay, sure.
Okay, okay, very good. So Janab, tell me this name. Here, this
This
compound.
name 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it will be 1 and 2. It's ethyl, right, sir? Okay.
Yeah. Ethyl,
So,
ethyl.
4 chloro,
Chloro and ethyl. So that is 4
4,
chloro.
2 ethyl,
Hmm.
2 ethyl, 1 acetophenone.
Acetophenone. Acetophenone. Acha
Phenol.
Janab, that is IUPAC you understood. IUPAC for you is very
Yes,
easy.
common name, sir. Now.
Common name is
Okay,
that.
so common name will be for the first one, so I'm saying 2-methyl 4-propyl. I'm saying common name for that. The common name for that will be wait, sir. Uh, 2 or no or ortho methyl para propyl acetophenone, and this will be okay. Wait, I know this. This one will be parachloride, parachloro,
Parachloro. Wait. Let-
orthoethyl acetophenone.
Yeah, great. Parachloro. Then we are having orthoethyl and going to be
Yes, sir.
acetophenone. Acetophenone. That is correct one. That is very correct. Good. What about this one? Okay, now you understood. You want to write or can I
I
read?
said both of them.
You tell me for this one. Okay, you want to tell this one.
I said both of them, sir.
4 chloro, ठीक है, orthoethyl
Yeah.
aceto.
No.
Hmm.
4 chloro. It's not. It's parachloro.
For this one,
Orthoethyl.
for this one,
Which one, sir?
this one,
This
first one.
one. Yeah, sir.
Hmm.
Wait. It will be 2 or no ortho. Ortho methyl
हाँ
parapropyl acetophenone.
हाँ मैडम, मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ यार। हो गया है, चला गया है यहाँ से, तो चला गया है, कब का चला गया है। अरे आप बड़े बड़े 11th के बच्चे हैं, उन लोगों को कितना संभालना पड़ेगा, क्या बोलूं मैं। ओके, कॉमन नेम मैं देखता हूँ यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा। सो यू टोल्ड मी दैट इज आर्थोमिथाइल ना।
Yes, sir. Orthomethyl parapropyl acetophenone.
पैराप्रोपाइल एसिटोफिनॉन।
Yes, sir.
एसिटोफिनॉन। जनाब, यू नो हिंदी
Yes, sir. I know.
वेरी वेल और लिटिल?
No, sir. My mother tongue is Hindi.
Okay, orthomethyl 4-propyl acetophenone, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope, Janab, I hope, this is what I hope, that next year you will be 12. Next year,
Yes, sir.
you will get seat in, है ना, seat in
Yes, sir.
AIMS,
Thank you, sir.
All India Institute of Medical Science. So
Thank you, sir.
you try hard because already you are working hard only, you know. So most of
Yes,
the
sir.
things you are working hard, little bit more effort needed. What the effort, that is what needed, that is practice only, that things. Just do the practice, everything will be fine. Just do the practice. So I will help you somewhat, I will help you surely.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So your aim should be for the aims only, not the any private college or the here, you know, a
Yes,
local
sir.
concept. Directly go to Delhi. So next one. So acetophenone you already got to know. Now what we have to do, we are going to write the name of some other compound. IUPAC name of
Yes, sir.
aromatic aldehyde. We are going for IUPAC name of aromatic aldehyde. This is going.
Right.
Tomorrow I am going to finish the IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, then I will
Okay,
teach you
sir.
isomerism. Isomerism. I think that is the what you are facing the problem in IUPAC and structure. Then that is the that problem is over for you, na?
Yes, sir. It's over.
So tomorrow I will teach you isomerism. Little bit I'll give you practice. Daily we will do the practice, some problem, but finally we'll do the isomerism. Okay, tomorrow topic is isomerism only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But you practice the IPSC. If you find anything, I am there always. Okay, anytime,
Yes, sir.
anytime. Whenever you are facing the problem, just take the snapshot, take the pic, send to me. Okay, whenever I'll get time,
Okay,
I
sir.
will reply you. Okay. So here, if you are
Okay.
going for the aldehyde, so that is first member. Which one is the first member? So here, this is if you are going, this is the CHO. This is the compound CHO. This is what is known as, already I told you, benzaldehyde. This compound is benzaldehyde. Again, this
Yes.
representation is that can be also this way. You know, one can represent this compound C double bond O and here is H. Another representation also possible. That is the same way we can represent this compound in the here C double bond O and here is H also we can represent, right? So this is there the representation. Getting?
Okay, these all are the representation of benzaldehyde.
All are equivalent. Benzaldehyde. This is
Okay.
benzaldehyde. This is also going to be
Benzaldehyde.
benzaldehyde. So all are equivalent.
Benzaldehyde.
All three are the equivalent one. This is the
Okay, sir.
equivalent one. Okay, benzaldehyde. So
Okay.
that we are going to write down the name of the compound. How can we be able to write the name? So suppose we are having this
Yes, sir.
compound CHO group. Then I am going to write
Yes.
here, suppose NO2 is there. So what can be the group name?
Sir, it will be first you have to do the numbering. 1 from CHO we'll do the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so from 4 nitro.
That will be the 4 nitro.
Benzaldehyde.
Benzaldehyde. Okay, very good, very good. Benzaldehyde. Okay. One more compound
Yes,
I am
sir.
giving you, that is same one. If I will change this with CHO is there. Here is, that is what is we are having NO2. Here is also we are having NO2. Here is also we are having the NO2. So what can be the name? Yeah.
Sure. Okay, so it will be. Okay, sir, I know. Sir, should we do the numbering? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, very good.
Okay, so sir, it will be 2, 4, 6 trinitro benzaldehyde.
Okay, trinitro benzaldehyde. So thank you very much for replying like this. Very frequently you are replying. It's a good. Okay, this is the already you got to know. This is the
Yes, sir.
IUPAC name. Up next one, if you are going, that is the anything. Now you will be able to write this one. This I aldehyde you will be easily write. IUPAC name of IUPAC name of what aromatic amine. Aromatic amine. IUPAC name of aromatic amines. This one. So if you want to write the so what can be the name here? That is first member I am writing here. The first member is NH2. This is known as what? Aniline. Okay.
Aniline. Okay.
So yeah, this is the name. So that is if I am giving you the some name also I am giving you. Okay. If there is NH2 is there. So let me tell you this is the NO2 is there, and here is the CH3 is there, and here is that is the suppose OH don't write, which I will tell you some after that. Here you can put out that is C2H5. So this name you please tell me.
Okay, sir. So ethyl. Yes, sir. So we should do numbering from NH2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This side or
5,
this side? Which side?
No, sir. 2 NO2.
This
No,
is the
no,
myth.
sir. No, CH3. CH3.
1, 2, 3, 4,
3,
5,
4,
and this is
5,
6.
6.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. So, sir, it will be okay. C2H5 is ethyl, right? Okay, so it will be 4 ethyl.
4 ethyl.
2 methyl.
2 methyl.
2 methyl. Nitro. Aniline.
6 nitro aniline. Nitro aniline. ANILINE. 4 ethyl. 2 methyl. 6 nitro aniline. Is it okay?
Common name, sir, I should say.
Common name is not required. Common name is for very simple. It will not come in the form of common name. But if you are trying, that is you can try.
Para. Yes. It will be para-ethyl. Para-ethyl. Then ortho-methyl. Then ortho-nitroaniline.
Ortho-nitroaniline. Thank you very much. Yeah, correct. Okay, this is the correct one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go for the next one. The aniline you got to know. IUPAC name of what you are amides. Aromatic amide. Aromatic amide. So that is if you are going the first member, I am already writing this on the first member. So if you are writing that is C double bond O NH2. So this is going to be NH2, CONH2. So that is what is known as benzamide. Benzamide. This can be also, you can represent this compound this way also. That
CONH2.
C double bond O here, and here is NH2. That is going to be same. One more representation of same compound will be like that. What can be that is this one. So you are somewhere you do not need to mention the C also. All are equivalent. That is the benzamide.
Okay, benzamide.
This is also going to be what? Benzamide, and all are the benzamide. Is it okay to you?
Yes, sir.
So I am giving you the problem. This is there. So if we are having that is CONH2, right? This is also the benzamide only. Anyway,
Yes,
Okay,
sir. You
Benjamin,
said.
this all are the same only. Okay, the same compound can be represented in different form also. So one question I'm giving you here, little smaller I'm writing. So if suppose someone
Yes,
is given
sir.
like that CONH2 and they given like that, here is suppose Cl. Sorry. Here is Cl and here is Br is there. So what will be the IUPAC name?
Yes.
Hmm.
So, sir, from one is benzamide, two
Hmm.
is bromo, then 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hmm. Very good.
Okay, so it will be
Hmm.
2 bromo, 5 chloro, benzamide,
Yeah. 2 bromo, 5 chloro,
5
4
chloro, benzamide.
benjamide. Benjamide. This is the answer. 2 bromo, 5 chloro, benjamide. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Super. Let me try the some more one. Close the gate both. Yes, sir. Close the gate. Huh. Yeah, tell me, Janab, the name of this compound. Can you try?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So, sir, sir,
Hmm.
first one is propyl.
Hmm. No, this is the one, right?
One,
This is the
two.
carbon is one.
Yeah, this is one.
Uh-huh.
Then the upper one is propyl, two.
I here is how many are there? 1, 2,
This is
3, 4. This is butyl.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is butyl.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. So, sir, downwards you have to go.
Okay, 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 4,
2,
5,
3,
and 6.
4, 5, 6.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Tell me the name.
So, sir, it will be
Hmm.
3 butyl,
3 butyl,
6 propyl,
6 propyl,
6 propyl, benzamide.
benjamide, MIDE.
Yes.
Hmm. This is what is the common name?
Common name for this will be,
Hmm.
okay, I know,
Hmm. Hmm.
metabutyl,
Metabutyl.
orthopropyl,
Hmm.
benzamide. Metabutyl, orthopropyl, benzamide.
Benjamide. Super. Your mind is working more faster than my mind. Yeah. Your mind is clicking very well on the problems, right? You easily now you got ortho para because when we teach offline student now, so they are very much confused on ortho para meta. So many times you tell, but it's very difficult. But you are, I know your mind is clicking on it. You are correctly telling the common name also. So that is very good things. Yeah, right.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now let us see that is IUPAC name of what is left one. Let us check any compound is left here or what. That is first page we got now. Yeah.
Sir, you left phenol.
Phenol we left, na? Phenol. Let us go with the
Yes.
go and try the name of phenol. Okay. IUPAC name of aromatic alcohol. Okay. That we also call aromatic alcohol. Right. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
aromatic alcohol. When you are talking about aromatic alcohol, the first member here if we talk about the first member, so what would be there? Here you see. Here is OH group is there. OH. This is what is known as first one is phenol. This is already there, right?
Phenol.
Hmm. This is the phenol. This is the either you say the IUPAC or the common name. You know, common name is also the same. I know common name also same. That is the phenol only. Okay, phenol only. IUPAC and common both are phenol. Now Let us try to understand. So here, what can be the name, Janab? Here, if OH group is there, here we are having the NO2 here. Here is also that is NO2. This is also going to be NO2. It's IUPAC, you tell me. Common is different. Common is IUPAC said this common name is a little different name is there. It is having common name different. Common name already I am telling you. This is picric acid. Picric acid.
Yes, sir. I'll say both. Okay, so sir, one. Okay, picric acid. Sir, phenol is known as picric acid, or just 3 NO2s are known as picric acid.
All. That is what? That is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is known as complete.
Is known as picric acid.
Yeah. Complete name of this one. Whatever the name given.
So sir,
IUPAC, you tell me.
Picric acid.
Picric acid, that is the common name. Common name I told you. You no need to.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 2, 4,
6.
IUPAC, I'm saying.
2, 4, 6.
4, 6.
Dinitrophenol.
Sorry, actually it got it.
I think your network, you have network issue. From my side, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So your voice is not coming, Janab. So can we go tomorrow? Can we do tomorrow?
Yes, sure.
So already tomorrow we will study, na? Tomorrow. So I will give you the problem also. Or no, tomorrow we'll practice the phenol. So okay, bye. Take care, work hard, and do best in your life. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye.